Hello everyone and welcome on this new deeper analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also guys, I have a small disclaimer about my signals. As you can see, I kept this one to show you this. So last week I sent a signal to buy the gold exactly from 2758 when the market forwarded here to reach the broken level of resistance and retested to create a new support. Now from the first side you can see this signal has failed, but actually this signal has reversed exactly from my take profit level, because when I'm sending this signal I'm targeting this level of resistance, so meaning my target has already been approached. So therefore this signal, my friends, has instantly been disqualified and we cannot take it again. So if a signal reverses from take profit level without being triggered, do not take it again, because now it's no longer valid, because the market has already reached our target. Okay, so I hope nobody took this signal, because it shouldn't be taken anyway after what happened. So now let's see what will gonna happen with the gold, because we are actually about to go to a crazy week with the elections in the United States. So of course I have posted also this one in the weekly analysis video on the Forex. Now, as you can see here, we have a chart showing the reaction of the market at the time of the different elections happened with different presidents. Of course, as you can see, what matters for us is, of course, these two here, because we actually have history with Mr. Donald Trump, and we know how the market has a chance to react upon his winning. Also for Joe Biden, we can say that Miss Kamala is actually the vice president of Mr. Joe Biden, so we can say that the market might actually make a similar reaction to it. So as you can see, of course, for Mr. George W. Bush, it was different at that time because of the war in Afghanistan and Iraq, which actually caused the dollar to crash. However, it was stable at the time of Mr. Obama, and even more stable at the period of Mr. Trump. It rose a little bit more at the time of Mr. Joe Biden. However, that tells us that we actually have data to expect. So therefore, if Mr. Trump wins, let me just make it short for you, my friends. Of course, trading the gold is going to be insane this week. So, of course, we have to be very careful. Two, do not open any trade at 5th of November. Just wait. Guys, don't react. I mean, don't rush to trade. Just wait until you can see what will going to happen. If the gold will make a fall or a sudden drop, then we can actually trade later the corrections. If the gold will make a sudden jump upon the elections, we can continue buying it. So do not rush to trade the elections itself. Just wait till the war finished, and then we can see what we can do next. But in my opinion, I'm expecting if Mr. Trump wins, the gold will fall. Let's just make it in a nutshell. If Ms. Kamala Harris wins, the gold also might fall, but will actually continue the rise later. Because on the longer time, or on the long period, I believe the gold will continue the rise if Ms. Kamala Harris wins. And if Mr. Trump wins, the gold most likely will crash, because Mr. Trump have actually good plans to help the dollar to get stronger again. So most likely, my friends, we are looking actually right now to start trading the gold, but we have to be very careful. And of course, I will send a notification on my free group of Telegram about any news happening about the elections. And I will send also reminders to stay away from the market at the time of the elections. You do not really want to trade the gold at the time of the elections. Now, let's analyze the gold with the current data that we have and what we can see right now. But again, on 5th of November, do not do anything at all. However, it's also worth to mention that we actually have, of course, launched last week, my friends, our premium gold signals channel on Telegram, and I would like to show you the results. That is really outstanding. As you can see, these were our signals in the premium gold signals channel. We have been able to make 545 pips of profits to our clients. Now, why it's safe? Because actually we are just scalping the gold. And I believe that scalping is the safest way to trade now the gold. If you guys really want to make profits, I highly recommend scalping it. As you can see, we are sending a very small take profit level, also a very small stop loss as well, which makes our signals really safe choice for those who want to scalp the gold. So again, if you guys would like to join us, you can of course join the free channel on Telegram to scalp the gold. Here example, Xtreme gold signals. That is of course our free channel on Telegram. If you would like to join the premium one, please contact our support. You can also find their contact details in the description below of this video. However, let's now see what we can do next with the gold. Now, the weekly candle is actually showing here a strong bearish fall. Now, look at that. The current price action here showing a lot of pressure on the market. Of course, we have here a pressure. Why? Because first of all, that is Fibonacci 119, as you can see, or actually, sorry, 261.8, which I believe is one of the strongest levels to trade the market. If the market is rising, it's always a good idea to sell at Fibonacci 261.8. Not only that, but also if we check the resistance trend line right here, of course. Just give me a second. Like this, of course. Yes, exactly. So right here, of course, we can see that we had a resistance trend line based on the weekly chart. And as you can see, it has always been respected. Even when the market has made an attempt to make a bullish breakout from it, the market actually has been rejected from this breakout, which means we are so far looking from technical data and from technical view, we are looking to short the gold. Let me just now move to the daily chart. So here on daily chart, we have something very, very interesting. First of all, we have here a real level of a resistance, exactly right here at 2,758, and then one fake breakout. Not only the fake breakout, but also this price action of these three candles. That is actually really good price action, indicates that we can sell the market. It's a good sign. If you see this price action, most likely it means that the market right now is getting ready for the bearish fall. Not only that, but even the real level of a resistance right here has indeed been respected. So that's really good and tells us that we can sell the gold as soon as possible. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. And again, a very clear and obvious head and shoulders is now being detected based on the 4-hour time frame. So it's a very clear signal to start selling the gold. But again, for the millionth times, stay away of the gold on the 5th of November till the elections are over. So if the gold will gonna make a pullback right now, I would recommend actually to sell the gold exactly right here at this level of a previous support right here at 2,744, considering that this is of course the bearish breakout candle, and right here is the nearest level of resistance to that bearish breakout candle. Not only that, but also right here we have a broken level of a support trend line. Check this out. So a broken level of a support trend line which has been respected all the way, as you can see. Support trend line, then a bearish breakout candle, then the gold has a potential to rise again to retest the same level of a broken support trend line to create of course a new resistance trend line. So all in all, I think it's going to be a good idea to sell the gold exactly from here, targeting of course the beginning of the structure, which was right here exactly at the bottom of the support, exactly right here. Let me just be precise, right there exactly at the bottom of 2,711, which means we are targeting at least 333 pips of profit. And in this scenario, our safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the peak of the resistance right here exactly at 2,760, ranging for around 152 pips only. Let me now please write the signal for you. And that's gonna be everything, my friends, for the gold analysis. And again, my friends, don't forget the elections again. It's actually what's controlling the gold nowadays. And also don't forget to give a try to our scalping signals channel on Telegram for the gold. We are doing really so well. I'm here showing the results right in front of you. As you can see, at least 85% in profit. Even the losses are very tiny and small, which has instantly been recovered the day after. So we have ended up with at least 545 pips of profits to our clients in the group. So again, if you guys wish to join the free gold signals channel on Telegram, you can find it here, Xtreme Gold Signals, or you can just simply check the description below of this video. And if you wish to join the premium one, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below of this video. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.